Hello there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Edwige and my channel is Edwige a la mode. You guys already know that I love fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you love that too, then make sure you stick around and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, then go ahead and turn on your notification bell so this way you never miss a post. So today's video is a Zara haul, but I realized that I didn't show you guys what I got on my birthday when I went to Bicester Village, so I thought I would start with that first. And also I have a beautiful unboxing to do for you guys, so I'm super excited. We're gonna get that out of the way first before we get into the Zara haul. So for my birthday I got myself a Vivienne Westwood matching set of earrings and bracelet. Vivienne Westwood is a British icon, guys. Honestly, her jewelry are amazing and you get a touch of luxury without the high price, which I really love. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I got is this gorgeous, I'll just show you what it comes in actually. So basically it comes in a little dust bag like so, and I just think it's super cute. It's got the Vivienne Westwood logo, if you like, just there. And let's show you the earrings. I'm super excited. So this is what I got. It's a gold colored earring with white detailings in the center. As you can see there, it's just so beautiful. I initially wanted the small ones, but I thought this was the small, and only when I got home to realize that this is actually the medium. I think, I'm not sure, but it's a lot bigger than I expected. They're made of brass and it has a polished finish like so, and a gold finish as well, which I think is stunning. This is what the back details look like. It's got the Vivienne Westwood written at the back, which I just think is super chic. It gives it a very lush feel, and I love the white detailing inside. And it would look like so. Let me just try it on for you guys. I'm not really a big fan of earrings, but recently I'm really into it. And yeah, I just wanted one that, oh my god, look how cute this is. It even has the Vivienne Westwood on the back. So this is how it would look. I think this is so pretty, honestly. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just wear it because it's just so nice, honestly. So guys, I went ahead and also purchased a matching bracelet, so I'll just show you what it looks like. It's exactly the same design, just like so. It's really pretty, and yeah, exactly the same detailing, exactly the same finish, and I just think it's so pretty. But the only thing is, I think this is slightly too small for me. I'm struggling to put it on myself, but I think somebody else could put it on me. It'll be absolutely fine. I'm not sure how much it cost me actually, but I know together I didn't spend more than £150, if that's, yeah, I didn't spend more than that, which I think is great. You get a touch of luxury for half the price. So yeah, now that I'm wearing these earrings, I'm gonna keep flicking my hair. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you before we get into the haul is a beautiful bag that I just received from Teddy Blake. Like, it's come in a box like so. So it opens up like so, it just flips over like that, really cute. And it says here, Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind, to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your everyday fashion choice. Oh, thanks babe. Cute. So moment of the truth, guys. I'm gonna just quickly, let's do it this way. Yeah, so the box pretty much honestly just flaps open on its own. So we're gonna go ahead so that I can show you what I got. So ta-da! So this is the bag that I got. It comes in a pretty dust bag like so, and you guys already know that I love just having my bags on display, so I definitely need to find a home for this baby. Are you ready to see my new luxury handbag, guys? Ta-da! How beautiful is this handbag? Please, let's just have a moment of silence, okay? She is so beautiful. I'll just show you from both sides. So guys, I got the Kate Croco in 12 inches. She is black. She has gold hardware detailing, which I just love. It is super lightweight, and I just think this is gonna go with everything. It's definitely giving me Birkin vibes, and that is a dream. This is a dream bag, honestly. I went for the 12 because I pretty much have small and mini handbags. I really wanted something that was medium so that I can use it for other occasions, and yeah, like this size. And the thing is, although this is the medium size, it's not too big because you guys know that I'm a petite girl, so I love a small handbag. This is still pretty much a small handbag, but it has 2 tabs on each side. I really prefer mine open, to be honest with you, like that, because you can really see the gold there, which I think it is stunning, and it just really elevates the bag in my opinion. And it has the key ring here, which I just think again adds that statement to your bag, and it has the gold key, which I love. It says Teddy Blake New York and it's been embedded there. What I love about this bag is that you can wear it back to front, or you can wear it front to back. It is completely up to you. This is the front, looks gorgeous, and the back is just, it resembles the front, minus the fact that it doesn't have the Teddy Blake logo on there. And what I love about Teddy Blake is that their bags are made from premium and genuine leather by Italian craftsmen, and it's top quality, and you can really see that in this bag because it is well made and it just feels so strong. And I know this bag's gonna last me a lifetime. And on the sides you can see it's very well structured, and the same design carries on to the back and to the other side, which I think is very special. And what I love about the bottom part actually is that it's all leather, and I love that the leather here is quite of a rubbery material, which I think it's nice to help your bag, you know, grip to the table without it getting scratched up, which I think is great. And then we're gonna go inside. Okay, so once opened, it has a very large main compartment there, but it also has 2 zipper compartments here on the side. As you can see, it has suede leather lining all over, which I think is beautiful, but the croco leather continues here, and it has the gold detailing inside as well, which is in continuity. And another thing that I love about this bag is the fact that it comes with a strap, so you can wear it crossbody, you can wear it on your shoulders, and it just gives you options, and it gives you that extra security. And before we move on, Teddy Blake has a massive sale, and you can get up to a 60% discount, so use my code TBEdwige20 to shop around and see if you like anything on the website. But I guarantee you, you are going to fall in love. I'll have all the details in the description box down below. So let's get into the haul now. Okay, so the first look I'm going to show you guys is actually this beautiful leather trousers that I got from Zara. It actually comes as a matching set, which I'm going to show you a little bit later, but I generally prefer to wear it as a single piece and not necessarily together, just because I feel like it's not giving me the vibe that I need. So basically, this shirt is actually also new actually. I purchased it from Nasty Girl, and I think it was around £12. But these trousers I picked up in a size 12, and I think they were £29.99. I'll have everything in the description box down below. And what I do love about these trousers is the material is faux leather, but it genuinely feels like real leather. Also looks like real leather, which I think is great. It's so autumnal, and it's giving me all the autumn vibes that I need. You guys already know that autumn is my favorite season. It's when I feel so daring, I feel so confident, I feel to try everything. And yeah, like I pretty much very much enjoy fashion in autumn. And this is my favorite autumn hairstyle, which is a short bob. So I'm literally in my element right now. And Zara is actually one of my favorite stores. I've been shopping there for a very long time, since I can remember. But yeah, like this is quality, and the price I mean, $29.99 for these gorgeous trousers, I think, yeah, like, it's crazy. They look good, they feel good. But the only dilemma that I'm having with these trousers is the fact that it's giving me a camel toe. Wait, I'm just looking here for the mirror. Look, it's giving me a camel toe, which I don't like. So I feel like I will need to always wear with something longer. Hence why I didn't really like the suit together. But I think you can dress this up, you can dress it down, you can definitely throw it on some pair of trainers. Right now I'm wearing my mules, like so. They're from Public Desire, and yeah, I just love how they look together. But yeah, you can dress this up and wear some heels with it, and you can dress it down with some trainers, and you can throw it on like a knitwear and just be cute and ready to go. But to dress it up a little bit, I went ahead and added this gorgeous satin shirt, and I think it just gives it a really nice vibe. I'm not a fan of this whole complete look, just because I wish the blazer was double-breasted. I don't really like a single button blazer, it's not my thing, but I thought I would try it anyway. But I don't really like how it fits. I would roll up the sleeves like so if I wanted to wear it together, just to give it some attitude. I would wear it like this. Let me just have a look here. I think it looks much better, but I'm sticking with my double-breasted blazers because I just feel like they look better, they look more rich, and yeah, I mean, this does look nice too, but I just don't like a single button blazer. I just think it doesn't give me the vibe that I want. But it's a nice look, I'm feeling it. I think what I'll probably do is return the blazer and keep the trousers because I really do like it. It's giving me a bossy vibe, I feel like a boss. So the next look that I picked up, I'm totally in love with it. So are these gorgeous polyester trousers that I picked up, and I think they were $29.99 as well, and they just fit amazingly. It is super high-waisted, which I love. It's definitely hiding my food baby right now because everything just, you know, is literally squashed in, which I love. So it's giving me a waist, and I think it's super elegant. The color is gorgeous. It comes in like this kind of washed out grey, which I love, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It fits great. So this is great for my petite girls because the length is absolutely perfect, as you can see. And I'm wearing my trusty white heels from Public Desire. I also picked up this square knitwear from Zara. This was $19.99. I love the color. It is like an ivory color, but I just love the square neckline. I think it's very feminine. It's very different. This is definitely out of my comfort zone. I genuinely love a v-neck, and this is completely different, but I like the vibe that it was giving me, you know. I think it looks very trendy, but also a classic piece that I think I can wear year in, year out. And what I love about this particular outfit is the fact that it's so transitional all year round. It's perfect. I can wear it to many different occasions. This can be worn to work, it can be worn to a meeting, it could be worn to brunch. You know, you can wear this to many different places. Like, this is giving me a work look. Wow, I feel expensive, guys. Wow, I feel so expensive. This look right here feels very luxurious, and it cost me less than £100. Like, this is beautiful. I love this look. And another way that I could actually wear this is with my gorgeous old season Zara blazer, which I love. This looks insane, guys. This looks insane. I love this look. I feel like a boss. I feel like I'm ready to go and sign that contract, honey. Honestly, it's giving me all the vibes that I love, and this, I cannot wait to wear this look out. Honestly, I can't wait to wear this. It's giving me like grown-up vibes, you know. I feel so grown and sexy. This look is elevated, and it definitely looks rich, and I love the textures. I love the colors between the cream, the grey and the ivory. I think it balances really, really well. And yeah, I love this look. I can't wait to take some cute pictures. I cannot wait to go out. I feel like I'm ready to head out now. This is giving me my gorgeous autumnal vibes that I just love. And one thing that I do love in autumn is textures. I love textures. I love mixing different colors, patterns together. And I definitely still love my whites and creams and beige in the autumn. I still love it, you know, because I feel like it can definitely work with everything. And yeah, I love this look. So guys, the next thing that I picked up is this absolutely stunning ribbed knitwear jumper. It has a round neck and it's giving me that rich auntie vibes also, and I love that look. You guys already know. It just looks like so. It's very simple, nothing too fancy, but I just love looks like this. I just love tops like this for autumn. I think even in the spring, summer, you can still wear something like this because it's super lightweight, especially when it starts to get very chilly. And to style it, I would honestly just tuck it in like so. I think it looks super cute. I love this honestly, and I think when it gets cold you can just throw on a blazer to make it look more rich and for you to obviously be warm as well. But I really love this look. It's giving me all the vibes that I need, and I think I would normally, I have an idea to throw like a gilet on top of it to give it more of a bossy vibe. But yeah, like I really love this. So guys, lastly, the other item that I picked up when I went to Bicester Village were these gorgeous high-rise jeans from Levi's. I think I probably bought these for like £40, I'm not sure, but they are a light denim wash and they are ripped on the knees like so. This side is a lot more exaggerated and a lot more visible than the right hand side, and it honestly fits amazingly. It's high rise like I said, so it comes up all the way here, very high-waisted, which I love, and I think it just looks amazing. And this is what the back looks like. It fits like a glove and I am so in love with it, and the length is also perfect for me. You guys know that I struggle to find jeans so much because I'm in between sizes, and plus I'm a petite girl and I need jeans that have a good stretch in them, and these pretty much do that. And I think I got these in a size 30, and I think the length, yeah, is 29 by 30, which is so perfect for me. Darlings, I hope you have enjoyed watching this Zara haul and Teddy Blake unboxing and all the other things that I have featured. Honestly, I just wanted to really inspire you guys to get ready for autumn and pick up some exciting bits, so I hope you guys have enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also I have a giveaway happening. All details will be in the description box down below. And also the details for your discount to get some money off from Teddy Blake will also be in the description box down below. As always, lots of love. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!